Hi guys, welcome to my channel Syringe 11. How are you doing? This one is about knives. So, I want to make this video because I have a new blade. I have a new knife. It is a case knife. It's a traditional one. And I really love it. I really do. But when I opened it, I noticed that there was a little blade play. This way. So I looked it up on the internet and I saw a guy posting a video a few days ago about exact same knife having the same problem. I first reacted like if I have a knife like that, I would send it back to the factory because yeah, it's not supposed to have blade play when it's coming new out of the box, right? But I ordered one myself because I really like the knife. And yeah, I found out this one has blade play as well. So what did I do to fix that? I really fixed it. I saw guys on the internet. There you go. I saw guys on the internet just bashing with a hammer on a knife. Never do that. Because why? No, don't do it. Well, first what I did was I took a leather string, yes, and with a knife I cut off 2 small pieces, yes, so here you go, yes, 2 small pieces, and one I put on top of the pivot, well, it's not a screw, what is it? A pivot, yeah, the pivot pin, I don't know what it's called. So anyway, yeah, I put it on like this, alright? I hope you can see it. I will zoom in a little bit. So that one is there. I put it on like this. I put this one on top of that, and then I take this leather string and just hold it like that, and then with a hammer, very small, very, not more like that, few times, then open the knife, feel where the blade play, if there's still blade play, and it really worked. There's no blade play, so you can damage the knife doing that, but keep in mind, don't hit it too hard because then you ruin the knife. You don't want to do that. So with the leather here on this pivot pin, and on the other side, taking something like a wood or maybe your floor, I don't know, the table. Put this over and just give it a few small hits with the hammer. Not hard, but like that. And your blade play is gone. And I don't have to send it back. And well, there you go. So I hope this video helps.